In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect IG to Claude Windsor AI. By the end, you'll have your Instagram insights flowing through Windsor.ai and available inside Claude, so you can analyze performance and ask smarter questions about your content. First, head over to Windsor.ai using the Instagram onboarding link. On the connectors page, use the search bar to type Instagram Insights, then click the Instagram Insights option. This is the official analytics connection for Instagram, and it's what enables metrics like reach, impressions, and engagement to come through accurately. Next, click to connect your Instagram account. If you manage multiple profiles, keep an eye out for the selector so you attach the right one. For best results, make sure your Instagram is a business or creator account. These are the only types that expose insights data. If your Instagram is linked to a Facebook page, that's fine. That's how meta permissions are handled behind the scenes. You'll now be prompted to authorize. You can do this via Instagram or via Facebook. Choose the path that matches how your account is set up. If you go with Instagram, click Authorize via Instagram. When Windsor requests access, review the permissions and click Allow. If you opt for Facebook instead, follow the same pattern. Authorize and allow the requested access so Windsor can read your insights. Don't worry, you're only granting read access to analytics, not posting permissions. With Windsor connected, switch over to Claude. Click the profile icon at the bottom left, open Settings, then go to Connectors. Find Windsor.ai in the list, click Connect, and confirm by allowing access. This links Claude to the Windsor data you just authorized. That's it. Give it a moment for the first sync to complete, and then you can ask Claude about your Instagram performance like top posts, audience trends, or engagement over time. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh or check that the correct Instagram account was selected during authorization. You can return to connectors anytime to manage or disconnect the integration.